Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Andrew Laidley with your Business Bites.
The government has withdrawn the restrictions on the entertainment industry and implemented a $500 million rescue package for the sector. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the disclosure in his contribution to the closing of the budget debate on Thursday.
The prohibition on entertainment, Madam Speaker, will now be lifted as of tomorrow, March 18, 2022. The public is reminded that events are regulated under various laws and administered by various entities such as the municipal corporations and the JCF, from whom permits must be sought and licenses paid. The permits granted will include a condition that the number of persons in any venue must be below 70% of the capacity. This condition will be kept until the 15th of April, 2022.
Entertainment stakeholders are in a festive mood following news that the restrictions placed on the industry have now been lifted. The industry players told the Jamaica Observer that they are not wasting any time and will be ready to start having events as early as this weekend if possible. However, CEO at Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, Robert Hill, said today the entity would be meeting to discuss the way forward.
And those are your Business Bites. I'm Andrew Laidley.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.